Yeah, hello. This is what we are going to be doing today. We are going to be learning how to build a fully managed web hosting billing solution. Okay, so in this video, I'm going to install the front end of the site, which will be this. This is it. Okay, if you look at the front HTML theme, it's a very cool, beautiful theme. Look at it. That's what we're going to be doing today. Amazing, beautiful. This is a theme you can actually edit to suit your taste, your content, your domain name, and all that stuff. Okay, look at it, so cool, beautiful. All right, so this is the front end of the site. We'll be doing this on this video today, and then this is the back end of the site. This is actually the web hosting billing management script. All right, so this takes care of a whole lot. Okay, takes care of automation. When client signs up on your site, place an order, you don't have to manually create the order. This billing solution takes care of the automation. Okay, it creates order. When client makes payment, it sends the plans directly to the client's email with the details and everything, username, pass, and all that. Okay, so now you can have this web hosting billing management script for one-time cost, and you don't have to pay those huge monthly cost forever again. Okay, a one-time cost and use for life. You don't have to pay monthly billing costs. Huge costs like the one you have with WHMCS solution. Okay, you don't have to pay those monthly costs. One-time fee, very affordable, and then you use for lifetime. Okay, look at the back end. Okay, you see the add customer list of customers, companies, groups, price. Under the billing, you see hosting orders and domain orders, invoices, new invoice, recurring invoices, new recurring invoices, quotes, create quotes, accounts, and payments. Okay, look at support. There's already an inbuilt ticket solution. Okay, tickets, okay, new articles, and all that. You see the services, hosting plans, other services you can sell other services right here. Okay, yes, groups, domain servers, domain name registration providers. Then you under productivity, you have the tax, calendar, documents, reports, you have invoice, income report, sales report. Okay, and then under utility, you have the backup, clone, and all that. Okay, look at it, look at it. Appearances, you can also have user interface. You can tweak this to your taste. Okay, you see the plugins, the other plugins. Okay, like if you're ready, you can integrate Plex, integrate cPanel, and all that. Okay, all right. If we come over here, we'll have the settings. Okay, which you can do a whole lot more with this management script. Yep, welcome. Let's get into action. Okay, so I'll assume you already have your login information. Okay, but if you don't know where to get a good server, all right, you can contact me. I'll leave the contact details on the description of this video. Okay, so now I'm going to log in. Okay, just going to take the login information, which is this. Okay. As you can see, it's showing this warning because of the SSL certificate, but we'll do that. Okay. So we're going to put our login information. So sorry guys, the reason why this has redirected to this what's it called, this URL here is because I newly created this account and it hasn't really fully propagated yet. Okay, so but that's not a problem. Okay, we are logged in successfully. So if you can see by this, I think let me just save this. you can see here under the general information that there is no SSL certificate. Okay, so let's do that really quick before we proceed. So I'm going to open a new tab. So let's go to this site 0ssl.com and then just click get free SSL. Just sign up. With an email. Okay, so when you're done doing this, you just click this create and you can save if you want to. On the free account, you have um, 3 domains. Okay, you just have 3 domains to get a free SSL. Okay, on it. All right. So just click on this new certificate, then you copy the domain name. Just put your domain name, which is this. Okay. All right. Then you click next. You click the option, select the option of 90 days. All right. Then you click next again. Okay, see the 90 days is free, but if you're going for one here, you're going to be paying $10 a month. Okay. All right. So, but let's go for the free certificate, which will be you have to reinstall it after 90 days. All right. So it says your SSL, your certificate has been created and it's ready for domain verification. So what we do, these are the 3 methods of the verification. So we are going to use the HTTP file upload verification. So I'm going to select this, okay, and then you download the auth file here. You download the auth file here. We can go to your cPanel, go to File Manager. Then click the public underscore HTML. Then the first thing you have to do, please, you have to go to settings here. Click on home and you click on show hidden files. If you don't do this, let me show you what you get when you don't do this. For you to be able to access any dot file, any file beginning with dot, you have to make the files, you have to select these 2 settings. But let me show you what I mean by that. If we have to create a folder, normally just create a folder like this, and we have to say the dot well known created. Now if you see what I mean, you won't see the folder. Okay, you won't see the folder. But if you go to this settings and you check the home and then you check show hidden files, you click save. When you do that, you'll be able to see the well known. Okay, then you double click on it, click folder again and copy this here. Okay, look at it very well. Okay, and look at it very well, then you click the create folder. When you're done, just double click on it, then this will open. Then you click upload. When you click upload, you can just go to select file, go to your the download folder, then you just pick it, you understand. But if you have it here like this, you can just also drag, all right, and then it will also upload. Okay, then when you're done with it, click back, and then we'll go back here and check click this to see if the files are available at this following URL. Okay, it's available. The second one, check, is available. So now we can proceed to the next step. So I'll click next step. Then let's verify the domain. Okay, congratulations, your domains have been verified. This means that our system is issuing your certificate at the moment. This page will refresh automatically every few seconds. So let's just wait a little while this is done. Okay, as you can see with the green color here, your certificate has been issued and is ready for installation. To continue, please follow the steps below. So what we do next, we just download this certificate file. Okay, so we'll go back here, we scroll down to SSL/TSL, we just click on it. Alright, so I'm going to open here in a new tab. So I'll open here in a new tab. Okay, so here's the private key section. So what I have to do now, I have to choose file. Then I'll go to downloads. Here's the zip file. So what I'll do, I'll just extract it. Here's the folder. Here's the private file, private.key. So open it. Now click upload. It's uploaded. So open here, and here's the set file as well. So I'll click open. Then I'll choose it. Click open. Click open. Upload. Upload. Okay, so we're done with that. So now what we'll do, we'll click on this manage SSL sites. Scroll down. And before I do that, if you can look at this properly, let me open a new tab here. You can see right now we don't have a valid certificate. Look at it, primary domain, there's no valid certificate yet. Okay, so I'm going to click on this, select this, then we'll click auto-fill by domain, scroll down and then click certificate. So SSL host successfully installed. Okay, look at it, successful. Our installation is successful, so click OK. Now, if we go back and we check this general information here, you see now we have a valid, there's a padlock sign here, locked, valid certificate. Alright, so now guys, we have successfully done this part. So what we have to do next is to what? Create a database. Okay, let's create a database. Let's get the database created down. So scroll down to the database menu, click on the MySQL database wizard. So we can just name it anything. Name it host B. Click next. You can use the same for the username, or you can use any other name. That's up to you. So I want to use the same. Okay, makes it kind of easier. So you can use the password generator, or you just manually type in the password of your choice. So I want to use this. So I'll go over here and then scroll down a little, put the database. Okay, and put the user, the pass. Okay, so here's the password, right? Okay, the password. Then let's go back. Let's go back. So click create user. So make sure you check all privileges, and then I'll copy this the username and the password. Just copy. Go back to this. We just save it like this. All right. So check all privileges, and then you scroll down. You click next. Okay, we are done. Well, we have simply created a database. Okay. So it's the next thing now we are going to do is to, I believe you already have, let's say, front end, because the script is for the back end, like for the management of your web hosting business. Okay, takes care of the billing. Okay, like I said in the intro video. Okay, it's the script that manages your back end, your billing. Okay, the creating accounts for your customers. Okay, customers will be able to log in to their own dashboard where they can what's it called, where they can buy plans, they can register domain names, okay, and all that stuff. Okay, you guys know how WHMCS is, but if you are new to this, okay, so I'm trying to explain that. Okay, this script takes care of just the back end. Okay, and then you need a front end where people can go and read about your hosting business. Okay, so well, let me just do that. I'm going to install a front end so you guys can understand what I'm actually saying. Okay, but I'm not going to be addicting the articles and all that. So I'm going to get a theme where I'll just upload uh, as the front end. Okay, so let's just do this real quick. So what I'm by that, let's go to File Manager. I think we already have File Manager here. Let's just go back to the public underscore HTML. But if you guys are confused, it's the same thing. I'll just go to my cPanel and just click File Manager. Okay, then I'll click on public underscore HTML. So we're right here. So now I'm going to upload the front end web hosting theme. It could be a WordPress theme, it could be an HTML theme. Okay, but what I have, I think, is an HTML theme, so I'm going to upload it here. So I'll just click upload file. I go to where I have the theme. I think, let me get that theme. Click select file. Click on the file, then you click open. So I'm going to pause the video while this takes time to upload. When it's done, I'll resume the video. Okay. Okay, as file has been uploaded successfully. So what I have to do now is click here. Then I will have to extract the file. Come right click and click extract here. I'll click extract files. Okay, the file has been extracted. So now I will go to the index, right click and click edit. Okay, I'll click edit. So right now I'm going to change, you're going to press Ctrl F, okay, to bring out this. Then I'm going to find this all through the site, okay, where we have this all through the site. then I'm going to click this addition site and add mine, and you add your own domain, you understand. So assuming the domain is, my domain is Bay Trust Cloud. Okay, so assuming my domain is this, I'll just put this like this, Bay Trust Cloud, and then you can decide to be replacing one by one. You see, as I click replace, it's 2 of 13, just like this, okay, until it turns 0. Do you understand me? Okay, so and then you click save changes. When you click save changes, if we go over to the domain, I think let me bring the domain just this. You go over here and then you enter the domain. Alright guys, so you can look at a very beautiful theme. Okay, you can see this beautiful amazing theme. Alright, so this is it. I'm scrolling down. So if you have a theme, you can just install. So this will just be the front end. Okay, this will just be the front end of your site. So you can also edit anywhere. Okay, understand. So that being said, now what we need is the back end. When somebody just maybe indicate a domain, like somebody can come here and then try to make a domain search, purchase a domain. Now the script handles the billing, the script handles the automation, okay, the billing, okay, the client management side and all that. Okay, so that's the script. Now that's what you need. Now remember, we've created a database for the script. Okay, so what we need now is to actually install the script. So that's the next thing we're going to do. So I'm going to go to File Manager. All right, so I'm going to now upload the script to the server. Okay, so let's do that real quick. So I'll come here to my File Manager, and the first thing I have to do, I have to click, get a folder. I'll just create a folder to read, and I'll say let's say billing, everything can be billing. Let me say host billing. All right, so okay, so just click the create folder. Okay, so we've created the host billing. Okay, so we're going to double click. So here's the place we're going to upload the script to. So okay, I'll go over to let me try and upload the script. So click upload, and I'll select the file. So here's the script. Click on it, then click open. So it will start uploading. So I'm going to pause the video. So when it's uploaded successfully, then I will resume the video. So not waste much of your time. All right. So our script has uploaded successfully. So what we have to do now is to go to the file manager there. Then we'll click on it, right click, and then extract the file. Okay, so click close. So we've extracted it here, so I have to click on it again. So yes, the files. Now remember that we need to right click, we need to select all, right click, move it. Okay, so it can be accessible directly here. Okay, so let's say move files. All right, so now we can always now access it on the site /host billing. Okay, so now we have done this, so we have to now get the database file. Okay, that's the MySQL file. Remember that we created a database. Now we have to go to the menu database and go to phpMyAdmin, click on it. So we have to upload the file. Okay, here's the database we created. We have to click on it. I will click import, choose file, click on it, paste the file, then click open, then click go. So we have successfully imported the files. So here are the files. Okay, so now let's go back to our file manager. So the next thing we have to do is to connect our database to the script. Okay, remember we created a database. Okay, and then we have uploaded the database file into the database we created. So now we'll come to file manager here, and then we try to enter the details of the database to our script. Okay, so to do that, we go to system here. Okay, then we come to config.php, right click on it, click edit, okay, then we'll go and then we'll pick the details. Remember this details, and then we'll come to user, just look at me. Okay, then paste. Okay, remember the name is still the same. Okay, then paste and go back and pick the password, which is this. Then come here, then we'll just enter it. Then for the URL, make sure it's your domain name, the full, which is this. We put it so you can understand. Sorry, this. Okay. Then you add the extension. Remember, we created the host billing. All right. So this is where we install it. Okay. All right. So after doing that, you just click save. All right. Then you click close. So right now you can just go over to the domain name and then slash, okay, the host billing. That's to access the admin end of the site. Then click enter. Alright guys, so here is the backend. Okay, so we have to pick out the login, and then we log in to the backend. Okay, so from there we're going to now edit the script to carry your name, your company name. Okay, you have to put in, like, you have to put in your logo here. Okay, you have to put in your name here. You understand? Okay, so now let's log into the backend of the site with the login details. Okay, so let's log in with the details. Okay, so just enter the details and you click login. So let me just save this. So now here is the admin back end, okay, administrative end of the billing software. So I think the first thing you want to do is to go over here, settings, and edit the general settings. Okay, you can change here to let's say Bay Trust, whatever your name is, Bay Trust Cloud. Um, you know, this you can change this address to yours. Okay, then you know, the country you can change as well. You can just you know, enter this data. Okay, just change all the data here. All right, to match yours. So when you are done, I think you just at the very, here you can just click at each of the point here, just click save. So you see it's not carrying this. All right, so let's go over. That's the general settings. So the staff, here's the staff. Okay, you can manage your staff. Okay, you can add new user. Okay, maybe this will be, for instance, a trust corporate. Okay, this will be, let's say, the staff handling support. For instance, let's say Lena dot me Amira. Let's use this. Okay, full name. Let's say agent, support agent Lena. Okay, but I can just put the phone numbers and then put create a password. Well, let me just create a password. Okay. All right, for this user, so you can have different staffs handling different okay, segments or aspect of your site. So the type is employee, of course. Okay, so if you're giving this user full administrative um, what's it called, level, okay, right, that means the user will have the same right as you, the owner of what the company. Okay, so click submit. Okay, so we have created a user. Okay, we have created a user. So we have admin, and then we have user. Okay, so let's edit this username. Okay, okay, it's just you know, you can just add your own phone number. Okay, all right, so you can upload the picture. All right, and then as well the password. Okay, now that, so click save changes. Oh, sorry, password did not match. Say support. Okay, these are the departments. Okay, can handle sales, can handle support, can handle billing. Okay, all right, so when we're done, we should be able to do this. Okay, user updated successfully. So now we have added the user. Okay, now that we have added user, let's go over to roles. Okay, these are roles. Okay, so employee. All right, we have employee. You can add a new role. Okay, the role name, let's say support. Let's say support ticket. All right, so now these are the permissions you can give. What will this role, the people in this role, what will they be able to do? Let's say view, they'll be able to view customers, companies. Will they be able to edit? Okay, you can just what's it called? You can make them able to do certain tasks and not able to do certain tasks here. Okay, these are the permissions: customers, company, transaction, sales, bank and cash, product and services, report, utilities, appearance, plugins, okay, leads, tasks, contract, other settings and all that. So would they be able to, for instance, create customers? Would they be able to delete? Would they be able to access all data? This is where you put the roles. Okay, so you click save when you're done, right? So now let's go over to the localization. All right, you understand what this means? You just and this date is here according to yours. Now currencies. Now you can add different currencies. All right, so let's just add new one. So let's just say pounds. Okay, let's say pounds, and you can just do your conversion. I'm just going to put this. Okay, then click save. All right, so we've added two currencies. Okay, now let's go over to payment gateways. All right, you can add different payment gateways here. Okay, you can add different payment gateways here. Okay, you understand? All right, so let's go over to income categories. Income categories. All right, so these are categories. All right, all right, these are categories. Okay, now let's see manage tax. All that. So manage the payment methods. Same thing. Okay, you can add different payment methods here. Okay, so sales tax. Sales tax. Yeah. Then email settings. Okay, so you just simple just add okay, your domain. You understand? Info at your domain. Okay, all right, so you can just click submit changes. Okay, just click submit. All right, so successfully changed. You can send a text mail. All right, so it's working. The email templates. Okay, you can actually edit. These are sign up the template what they get. So let's see, let's view. Okay, look at it. This is it. Okay, your business name, you understand, will be the subject. Login info. That's when the client signs up. The template, the emails, okay, that the client will have. You can edit it here. Okay, look at the default. Welcome to. Okay, you can track and your login information as follow. You can actually edit and save here. Okay, so and all these other templates. Okay, so I'll go over to XMS settings. Okay, you can use any of these APIs. All right, just create accounts with them. In, for instance, Twilio, you enter your sender ID, your seed, and token. Okay, but if you don't know how to do this, you can actually drop comment. You can also send me a WhatsApp message. I will be able to put you through using Twilio API. Okay, so these are the SMS, like the SMS template. Okay, invoice created and all that. Okay, so you can also have not only them having email alert or email notifications of activities, they can also have SMS notifications as well. So let's say we are done with the settings here. So what is next to do? Let's come over here and then we'll come over to, let's see, now hosting orders. Okay, first of all, you have to set hosting plans, okay, servers, domain, but let's see hosting plans that we have here. Okay, you can see that you can add a new hosting plan, but these are just the ones that are here. Personal, you can actually delete all and add new ones to yours. Okay, you can delete all these plans. You can edit if you want to edit. For instance, let me say I want to edit this and change the name to, let's say, let me see, how do I put it now? Let me see, starter. Let me just use the word starter. Okay, so when you're done, you can, the monthly price, yearly, okay, maybe 2 years plan. You can edit the amounts, okay, as well as here you can edit all the details here. Okay, because of time, I don't want it to be too, lengthy. Okay, you can just click the save changes here. I won't do more of the editing. Okay, sorry, group ID is going to supposed to go to share hosting. Okay, you have to create servers. We'll look at that. I just wanted to edit here. Okay, but the group should go over to share hosting. Okay, all right. So if you look at the we'll look at all this much later. Okay, you can have different servers. Okay, when customer you what I mean by different servers, you can have a server on from, let's say, AWS. You can have a server from, let's say, Google Cloud. You can have a server from different companies. Then you can actually pinpoint at which plan goes to which server. Okay, if let's say you want AWS server to handle shared hosting Windows, you can actually put the what's it called? You can actually add them here. All right, like this pink, you can name them pinking server, Linux server. You can have a lot because it's going to be on automation. So when a client signs up with on that plan, okay, this billing takes care. This I told you, this billing script takes care of automation. Okay, so you will not need to do anything manually. You will not need to do anything manually. So when the client signs up, the script, okay, automatically creates that plan and send to the what's it called, the client. Okay, after payment. All right, after receiving payment, the script automatically creates the account, okay, or the share hosting account for your client. Okay, so let's say I put it here. Okay, they just click save changes. I hope I've done the group. Okay, so it's there now. So if we go back to list, you can see now that here has changed to starter. So you can change this to suit the name. You can give plans. Understand me? You can give plans. If you look at this is small business Linux Windows plan. This is Silver Windows reseller. You can have reseller, you can have VPS, you can have dedicated and all that. You can create all the plans here. If you look at this is a whole lot of different plans here. Okay, so I was talking about servers, but before then, let's go over to other services. So you can you can actually sell different services while running your hosting business. For instance, you can sell email services, you can sell what's it called, SSL, what's it called, services. Let me just add new service to this. So you can name it, let me just say SSL. Okay, and for that I may need to create, hold on, let me say order. Okay, let me say chain, sorry, let me use the word chain one, and let me say it's going to be on other services, and then I want to say get SSL for your domain. Okay, all right. So I just want to, I don't want this to be too long, that's why I'm just using the same thing. Get SSL for your domain for yearly plan, anything. Okay, just click this save. So now that applies to you must have different groups, because when you are putting on hosting plans, other services, you must choose the group it belongs to. That's why I had to add this first. So let me go to other services now. So if I click on add new, and then I will say SSL service is going to the gen, the service fee, let me say $30. Okay, and then you can put details. You get SSL for yearly. Okay, just anything. Does this service require a domain name from the client? You can specify it here, the features. All right, so I'll just click the save. All right, the save here. So let's go back to the list. Okay, so we can see the plan we just created. So you can have different services running. Okay, so now I think I want to look at hosting orders. Let's go over to hosting orders. Okay, so here you will see the list of orders. Okay, that you have. Let's say orders that are coming in that you have. Here you will see the list of domain orders. The first, this is hosting orders. Okay, and here you see the list of domain orders. You see under the invoice section. You get the invoices. Okay. Okay, new invoice. Okay, recurring invoice, recurring invoice quotes. You can create new quotes, accounts, payments, and all that. Here you can have add the customer, manually add the customer. You can see the list of customers that you currently have. Okay, and then groups, files. Okay, and productivity, stacks, calendar documents, report, utilities, the backup, cron log, integration code, system. Okay, so this is a full web hosting uh, billing management system. When you have this, you don't have to pay any monthly fee for life. You don't have to pay any other charges. You don't have to pay any other thing. You can fully run your web hosting business and keep all the profits yourself. No need of paying hundreds and thousands of dollars to web hosting billing software. Okay, this is fully functional web hosting billing management script. Okay, if you want the script, my WhatsApp contact is on the description of this video. You can contact me personally. Okay, and now let's try and log into the client side of the script, like a client. Assuming I want to place order for, I'm a customer and I want to place order for a hosting or any service, okay, that the site offers. So before we do that, we have to do something because on the site here, if we click on it, we need to redirect the URL to the right place. So to do that, this is the client. Here's the client. So it's on hosting / client. So we'll go to the file manager, then we'll go up, go to directly the public underscore HTML. Then we'll go to the index folder here, edit, and then open. So now let's use Ctrl F to find logging, where there is logging. If you look at it, we have to edit this, okay, to the right URL. So first of all, we have to enter Bay Trust, corporate online. What we used was host billing. Then we have to remove here tally and make it client. Okay. And we remove this aspect as well. Okay. This way. Alright. So let's click save changes. Alright. Let's click save changes. Okay. Then I will copy the URL. The other places that has this client login. Let me see. We have other places that has this. Let me see the other one. The next one is here, so I'll do the same. Take it over to this point. Click here. There's another place that has login. Right, so then I'll click save. So if we go over to the front end and then I'll refresh. Now there's something for you to immediately see a change, maybe an image change that you're doing on your site. Just press the, instead of clearing browser history, you can just press the control F5. Control, yes, F5, understand. So there's this thing here I want to change. I think there's something there. That's the one we didn't change. Let me look at it again. Okay. Which is this. I want to just change this to be trust. Alright. So now if we go back here, I think hit the enter button again. So when I refresh, you see the bit trust at the top here is now corrected. So now click login here. So it will take us to login for the client. Client can click login and enter the email address. Click login. So now here is the client side, and then you can see the dashboard here. So the client can, let's say, place order for, remember the gen we created, the SSL stuff. So let me just say I want to just order for SSL, for instance. Then click the gen, look at it, buy, click buy. Alright, so this is the fee. Then I'll click pay now. Okay, so here is the automatic invoice has been generated. So you can see payment, paper, okay, bank and cash. Anyone can choose whichever means of payment. All right, and if you look at it, your logo will be here. Okay, this your logo, you will have to replace the logo. Okay, then your logo will be showing here. All right, so different payment option, paper, bank, cash, and all that. Okay, but let's just go back to the client area. Okay, and then let's go to the admin and see if we have this order there. Let's go to admin. Let's go to invoices. So here's the invoice, $30 invoice. Okay, look at it. We can view it, the one we just did. Okay, clone, edit and delete. You can delete. Okay, you can view the order. Okay, the status is unpaid, as you can see, it's unpaid. If it's a manual payment, you can actually mark paid. Okay, you can mark the uh, order as paid, okay, or partially paid, or you can cancel the order. Here you can send email, invoice created, email, invoice payment reminder, email, okay, and all that. You can preview, you can edit, okay, you can view in PDF, download PDF, and all that, okay, all right. So that is that for the whole lot, okay. The if you go back to the client area, client can place maybe an order for a reseller package. All right, so these are the reseller package. Client can click buy now. All right, and all that. Okay, so like I said, I don't want this video to be too long. Okay, so with this, you can see that you have the client side of it, you have the administrative, that's the backend, the admin backend of the script. Okay, so with this, you can have a fully running web hosting business without the need of paying monthly, okay, for your billing software, okay, your web hosting billing management software. You understand this? I hope you guys like this video. I hope this has been able to take that burden. A lot of people paid so much, hundreds of dollars and thousands of dollars for a monthly cost or monthly fee for their web hosting billing management system. Okay, so now this has taken that off you. Okay, you don't need to pay monthly. Just get the script and you have it once, and for life you will use it without any payment. Okay, so thank you. Please, if you have not subscribed, please subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell so you can always get notified for any video I put up. I'll be bringing some cool stuff, cool videos, all right, your way, and that's what this channel is all about. Okay, in 24 hours you learn something. All right, in less than 24 hours you have seen how to create what a fully web hosting management system, okay, for your web hosting business. So you can do this for clients. Okay, all right. So and then you can make money from this as well. Okay, so hit the like button, please share this video to encourage us. Always subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.